Here we are on this is just an Omatech 60 watt laser, and we're going to go through and make sure we're not going to overpower the tube. And what did we work out milliamp wise? Maximum 20 milliamps I think from this tube. But yeah, if you want to work it out, just go to your tube and find the model number, basically the manufacturer, go to their website, and there should be some details of what your maximum should be milliamps of powering the tube. And say it's 28 for a 100 watt tube, you wouldn't want to really go over 24 milliamps to get the maximum life out of your tube. So first up, we're just going to set this one to 50% power, so I'm just going to hit 50% power, and I'll power and make it 50%, and I'll just go across, make that 50 and enter. Now we're going to pulse this laser. Some of you might have a milliamp gauge fitted up there, a digital one, or down in that area. If you haven't, have a look at your laser power supply, and we've got one on this power supply, so we're going to use the digital one on there. So I'm just going to pulse at 50% power and see how many milliamps we're running at the moment. So we've got 13 milliamps at the moment. So we'll go and lift the power up and go max power, and I'm going to try 65 and 65 and enter. I'll go back down so we can see our milliamp gauge, and I'm going to pulse it again now. We're about 18. We're going to go a little bit higher in power, so max power, and we'll make that 70. And that's 70 and enter. So we'll go down and test again. Get it so you can see, hopefully. And I'll pulse the laser at 70%. 19, so we're pretty close. And we'll just get it spot on anyway. We'll go max power. Of course, we'll make it 72. And enter. And we'll pulse at that. Still reading 19. We'll go up a little bit, a couple more. $74. We'll try that. Back down. And pulse. And that's our 20 milliamps. So to get the most life out of this tube, we don't want to run over our max power of 74. Your laser is probably a lot different. I have seen some lasers at 60% power, we're running to the maximum milliamp we should be using. What they say in the specifications, not the recommended to get the most life out of the tube. So 74% is basically the most we want to run on this laser, and to get the most life out of the tube. And that's how you do it. It's pretty easy to do, and every laser owner should be aware of it. So if you'd like to comment below or like, so you at least give me an indication you have seen it and you understand what's going on, and let's hope you don't overpower your tube and your tube lasts a lot longer, because that's the most expensive part in your laser. Anyway, happy lasering everyone.